Here is how to check your app history on your iPad's App Store. So first, you need to find the App Store and open it. Tap on your profile picture icon in the top right corner of your screen, and this will open your account details. You have two main ways to view your app history. You can go to the Purchase History section, that is indicating app and purchase history. Go to Purchase History, and here you can adjust your period filter to view purchases from a specific time. You can choose to include free or paid transactions and filter by apps, in-app purchases, books, music, or other categories. You can also scroll through the filter list to see all of your transactions. Another thing you can do is go to the App Updates section, and this will view all of your apps that you've ever installed on your device. Another thing you can do is you can go to App and Purchase History again, but in this case, tap on Your Apps option. Now, this will display a list of apps that you've ever installed on your iPhone or iPad using the same Apple ID. Then tap on Not on this iPad. This will show you the apps downloaded with the same Apple account but on a different device. These two options should help you find the information you're looking for. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.